The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, but I soon present that video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, it had came to my attention that Donald Trump and his wife had been tested positive for the COVID-19. You see me? Yeah, I saw in reports out there, you see me? I saw in articles out there where it is said that Donald Trump and his wife had been tested positive for the COVID-19. You see me? According to reports, it is said that Donald Trump and his wife, they are in quarantine. You see me? Now, to make it very clear, viewers and subscribers, you see? It is said that Donald Trump announced that he had been tested positive for the COVID-19. You see me? Yeah, according to reports, it is said that Donald Trump himself announced that he had been tested positive for the COVID-19. So, I just want to make that very clear. You see what I'm saying to you? According to reports, it is said that Donald Trump is one of the high-profile world leaders that had caught the COVID-19, you see me? And other things have been said, viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm only telling you according to how I understand as to what has been said in reports out there, you see me? It might not be exactly word for word as to how it had been said in reports out there, but I'm just telling you according to understand it. And, again, I'm going to say this, there's reports out there that says that Donald Trump and his wife, or some persons might say first lady, yeah, it is said that Donald Trump and his wife have been tested positive for the COVID-19 and they are in quarantine. All right, so let me know what you think about that, viewers and subscribers. All right, now I am going to present to you a video that is out on social media, and according to what has been said about this video on social media, it is said that this video shows something that is considered to be racial profiling. You see me? Some persons might call it racism and so on. You see me? According to some of the things that have been said on social media and according to some of the things that I saw and heard in the video, you see me, I get the understanding that this video shows when a person got accused of stealing something at a place that some persons might call a supermarket. You see me? Some persons might call it just a store or so on. You understand? However, you're going to hear someone talking in the background of the video, and you're going to hear some person saying some things to the person in the background of the video, and it will seem as if they are accusing the person. You see me? According to how I understand it. You understand me? Yeah, that's the understanding I get. You see me? But however, I might be right and I might be wrong. So you, my viewers and subscribers, can take a look at this video and you can tell me if you think I'm right or wrong, or what I think about the video as well. You see me? You can let me know if it is racial profiling or what. All right? Alright, now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? And here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Okay, yeah, but at the moment, on this receipt, it says that I've purchased chocolate. It shows that there's chocolate that's been purchased. Okay, are they all chocolate biscuits? Because actually nothing's been purchased. At the moment, I'm going to make a formal complaint because I should not be reprimanded or withheld when I've not even left the store.
That's fine, but can we just check your bag, please, just to make sure?
Okay, but it's not fine at the moment because I'm actually very distressed because I've got a child that I need to take home. I've not left the store, so you've got no reason to believe that I've taken.
Oh yeah, viewers and subscribers, by the way, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the world this had happened. You understand me? Nor do I have any information as to when this had happened. You understand? But anyways, I could take a look at the video and observe some more.
Anything. There's no reason for you to be here, or you yet, because I've not even left the store, so it's up to your colleague to ask me if to have a look at my receipt, not you. But she should have informed me. Why was I not informed?
It's not, we have security for that reason, okay?
Okay, but your colleague could have come up to me. Okay, but you're filming me, so I'm going to be filming. Yeah, fair enough. But you're saying to me that I've stolen something now. I'm with my child. You've come to the conclusion that I've stolen from your store. I've not even left I've not even left here. So really, for you to approach me and say I've taken something when I've not even left the store, I've not even done anything wrong because I've not even left the building.
I never find myself myself in a situation like this.
But you have made it distressing now because I'm actually trying to take my son home. I've purchased them. Okay, then you can check my bag, but at the moment I've not even left the store, so you shouldn't even be withholding me at all. Well, you are withholding me because you're asking me if you can check my stuff and I've not even left the store. I've not. No, it could have been done, but it won't be done silently because you should not be stopping me because I've not even left your store. Okay, search the bag. Search it.
Is that alright, yeah?
And I want an apology because I've not actually taken anything.
Look, all we're doing is...
No, I don't want to hear what you're doing because this is wrong. Can you search it so I can leave, please? And I've been making a formal complaint because at the moment your colleague should have come up to me, not you and yourself. Okay, no, at the moment I don't feel comfortable to come back in the store for them to be treated like this.
Don't be afraid to say, listen.
Okay, what has been stolen? Because you don't need to take everything out. What are you looking for? No, what are you looking for? What are you looking for? No, I will not stop filming. What are you looking for? You're saying that I've stolen something. I want to know what you're looking for. There's nothing to check, so you need to check all of this. I've not even left your store, but you need to check all my shopping, even though I've purchased everything. Why? Is that racial discrimination or what? You don't need to check. I've not even left your store. I've not even left the store. Okay. This is absolutely shocking. So can you tell me what's going to happen now, please? Because I've purchased everything, so I need to know what your procedure is now, what your policies are now. Because at the moment I've not done anything wrong.
Can I just take this phone call?
No, you can't because I'm actually.
Can you call back in 5 minutes, sir? All right.
You can't take this phone call now because at the moment I'm very distressed. My shopping's just been taken. I've purchased that. Right. So what on earth are you doing?
All you to do is take your bag.
Okay.
The embarrassment when them put this person through. You see what I said to you? The embarrassment. That me I look upon right now, no viewers and subscribers. The embarrassment. You see what I say? Yeah, that me I look upon.
You searched my bag and you found out that I've purchased everything. So where is my shopping?
You're just going through.
No, okay, well you need to do that in front of me. You can't just take my property. Okay, so this is not what you're concerned about, but you're checking this as well. Okay, you're not concerned that this has been stolen, but you're checking if this has been paid for as well. Yeah, so all of my shopping is going to be checked. I mean, under what policy? What policy are you doing this?
You're kicking off.
Because the way I'm kicking off, obviously I'm going to be angry. I've purchased all of this shopping. It's not because of the way no, you've said to me, I'm not wearing a mask and I've got a reason why I've not got a mask. So my doctor can certify why I'm not wearing the mask. But why are you walking away? You've asked me a question.
I guess security.
Okay, so none of this at all is of any concern to you, but you want it all checked. Is that because of my ethnicity? Can I just clarify? Is this, and why is that? But it's not you that wanted to check it. I'm asking him. Is this because of my ethnicity that you need to check all of my shopping? Why? Why are you checking all of my shopping then? Why are you checking all of it? Why are you checking all of this shopping?
I'm not going to answer any more.
Okay, well, okay, that's fine. You don't, but you know what? I want an apology because I've not taken anything. Okay, there's no reason for you to check all my shopping. This is racial discrimination. Has everything been purchased?
There's 2 full pints of milk and there's only one.
There's 2 full pints of milk. Okay, so I've been overcharged. Okay. Okay, so is everything else been paid for?
Hold on, the viewers and subscribers. Hold on. Did I hear the person say something about overcharge a while ago? Eh?
Can I just clarify? Look, Look, the whole store wants to know, has everything been paid for? Because this is racial discrimination. No, because when you go into the shop, this doesn't happen. Okay, I'm with my son. I should not be racially discriminated against. If there's a problem, your colleague should come up to me and tell me, not you and you, the security, and you should not be coming up to me when I'm with my son. What a threat am I to the store? At the end of the day, of course I'm angry. I should not be treated like this. I've come and I've purchased everything. There's no reason for you to apprehend me and yourself. Absolutely none, and I will not stand for it. So
I am not against security guards or people working at a store doing their job to make sure so nothing is being stolen and them things, you see me? But you know how you deal with the situation some of the times, you see me? Because you know, if you're going to accuse someone and then you're going to totally embarrass the person right through the whole store and so forth, you see me? It just look away. Because what if the person don't take anything? You see me? The embarrassment you leave that person in. These are the things that people have to look at now, viewers and subscribers. Sometimes we have to really and truly think before we do certain things, you know. You understand? Let me know if you think this is some form of racial profiling or something. You see me? I could look on the rest of the video. Observe with me.
Been purchased?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay, thank you very much. Now can I leave the store? Because I'm very distressed. Very distressed. I paid for everything, yes? Can I clarify? Has everything been paid for? Has everything been paid for? Yes, okay, right. Pack my shopping up. I'd like to leave with my property. Now, immediately. I want to leave my property. Pack my stuff back up. Pack my stuff. No, I don't want a refund. I'm making a formal complaint. So pack my stuff back up so I can leave. Well, at the end of the day, you're enabling this. You're enabling this to happen. You are, because you could have answered me. You could have said everything's been paid for. Look, you're on camera. I'm not going to discuss it. I want my stuff and I want to leave. Can I have an apology? No. Can I have an apology?
I apologise. Now, if you want me to sort of
that's not an apology. That is not an apology.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you see, here's where I believe it, you know. No hope say you learn something from this video. You see, let me know if you think if this is some form of racial profiling or not. You understand? And you know, let me know what you think about this whole thing where it is said that Donald Trump and his wife tested positive for the COVID-19 and so on. You see me? Here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.